I don't necessarily like running in the rain, but I don't stop for it. Here's some tips for running in the rain. Be careful on the hills. Sometimes they can be slippery. Avoid the puddles, because you don't always know how deep they are. Watch for frogs. Hey, share the road, all right? And don't worry about your clothes getting wet. It was gonna be that way after an hour of running anyway. Pro tip, stay off the sidewalks. And that is number 18, 100 days left. Whew. Do not look forward to days like this. Or maybe I will. Maybe that'll be quality time with Estelle. Check out the unmarked vehicle though. Yeah. So I finished up one of the best LinkedIn learning classes I've taken so far. The biggest takeaway for me was, instead of directing and telling an employee what to do and how to do it, ask questions that'll help them figure out what to do on their own terms. Before you want to give advice, make sure you pause for a few seconds and have them think about it. Oh, like somebody rolled off the road up here. The biggest tip is to ask open-ended questions. That's using a how or what at the beginning of your question. Instead of asking, do you like your new office? Say, what do you think about your new office? Instead of something like, are you and so-and-so getting along? Say, how are things going with so-and-so? So yeah, just a great class. I'll put the link in the description.